Logimic Light is a system for full control and management of your street lighting. On the default dashboard, you can see your location. Each location means one street or city area or specific zone. At each location, you can see the two information. First information is if the lights inside of the location are online and if they are power up or power are off. Everything green means that all lamps in given location are online and power up. Orange spot means that some of them are on, some of them are off. By clicking on the details, you can go into the location detail. On the left side, you can see a map with your lamps. You can zoom, switch the map background, and on the right you can see the details of the location. You can manually manage your location, which means that you can power on or power off your location, and you can assign the program to the location. In the bottom part of the screen, you can see the lights assigned in the location. You can see the status of the lamps and the intensity level. By clicking to the detail button, you can go into the page with the light details. You can see the communication status, that the light is online, the state, the currently is power off on, and intensity level. You can manually control on off light and set intensity level. In the bottom part, you can see important information about your light, like GPS coordinates, install date, and more. Very important is the lighting profile. Each lamp is communicating with the cloud and sending its status. You can draw the status in the graph by selection of the period you are interested in. Here in the chart you can see a real lighting profile of the lamp, including the manual inputs. By selection of the point you can see the time and date and the level of the intensity. The lighting profile for each lamp or entire location you can set up in the Programs section. Here you can very easily set up the lighting profile by putting the commands on the timeline. So here you can see that I have a couple of the commands on the timeline. Power on at 4 p.m. Change the intensity around 22 o'clock, and then set up intensity to the down at 23 and back to 100% at 4 o'clock. You can very easily add any new command here by selection the command type, point type, and the time itself. Each program can be assigned to any location. Just jump to your location, like this one, and select the program you would like to assign. A part of the programs and management of the lights, you can manage the gateways. Each lighting point is connected to the gateway. A gateway is communicating with the cloud through the internet. We are providing very powerful tools for management of gateways. You can see here the gateway status, like details, gateway details, last update, last communication, and the connected points. Low-level information about connected lights. You can see the topology of mesh network, and you can send the commands like network builder, which will create the mesh network, discovery for rebuilding of the network in local deployment. You can remove node or all nodes. You can change the radio channel. You can set up TP2P communication. You can backup gateway, restore gateway, and you can send the service commands like ping and get the answer from all the lamps connected to the gateways. Logimic Light provides you with a very powerful tool for user management of the street lamps on street lighting, and also with the service operational tools for building and management of your network.